Hi, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Besides the filter itself, there are three more things which are connected to it, and all together they make the full picture. These things are effect name, demo video, and icon. Although an effect icon doesn't seem like a hard thing to do, I receive many questions from you guys. So let's deal with it. But before we start, hit the like button and make the subscribe button gray. Alright, so here are basic rules. Effect icon is a square, minimum 200 by 200 pixels. Yes, the corners will be rounded automatically, remember it. It should be PNG or JPG file, without any transparency. So if you export it in PNG, make sure you uncheck the transparency button. Your icon should not use any of the Instagram color gradients. Yes, I did not know too that this green gradient is Instagram's, but it is what it is. Don't use it. So you are ready to create your first icon. Start with creating a new file in Photoshop or in any other program. Let's create a square. As I mentioned, the minimum size is 200 by 200 pixels, but you can create, for instance, 400 by 400. Remember, your icon is a small circle in the Instagram gallery, so avoid any tiny objects or too many text. Icon represents your AR filter, so think about the filter. If it is a beauty filter or it works with a face, you might find this file helpful. If you open it in Photoshop, you can turn on and off different emotions, backgrounds, you can add any objects, text, and so on. It's a good way to create a simple and good-looking icon. I left the link to Gumroad for you guys to download this file if you need it. Or if you don't want to use a face shape, you can pick one important element of your filter and use it in your icon. So, what is your filter about? Maybe colors? Hearts? Eyelashes? Take this object and place it on your icon. It should be obvious for a user what the filter is. He doesn't want to waste his time scrolling, trying to find your filter. No. And if you want a user to find your filter quickly, make the icon simple and clear. Now, quiz time! I have 3 questions for you guys, and if you answer correctly, you'll get points. Alright, question number 1. Can I use a logo in my effect icon? Alright, time's up, and here is the right answer. Yes, you can. Icons may include only one logo though, like the effect itself. Okay, let's go further. Question number 2. Can I use this icon? Okay, time's up. No way. Not because it's a copyrighted content, but because if you want to use a face for your icon, you can only use your own face, not someone else's. We are talking about photorealistic faces here, of course. It can be cartoon faces, that's okay. Question number 3. Can I include the name of my filter in its icon? Alright, time's up, and here is the right question. No, do not include the name of your filter or the name of your Instagram account to your icon. Instagram will display this information automatically when the filter is being used. Hey, good job! Let me know in the comments how many points you got. And now you're ready to create your own icon for your AR filter, and that's great! That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon!